students, today's topic is introduction to database. First of all, we can discuss about two terms. Before going the database, we have to know about what is data and the information. Okay, what is data and information? Data and informations are often used interchangeably, but they have some difference between their component and the purposes. We can say that data is a raw facts while the information is the organization and the interpretation of that facts. Okay, what is data? Data is defined as a collection of some facts and statistics. They can in any form like the text, audio, video, images, graphs and symbols. Okay. If we can take an example, we can include the weight, address, name, age, date or distances. Okay. The data is a raw information about any statics and the terms. Okay, it has some significance. Or other words, we can say that in any forms like analyzed, organized and interpreted. Okay, that is divided into the two terms. First is quantitative and second one is qualitative. Okay. The quantitative is defined as the numerical form like the volume, weight and the cost of any item. Okay, the second one is the qualitative. Qualitative is a descriptive but not the numerical form. We can take an example: the name, gender, etc. Okay, the data, after that the data we know about the information. What is information? Information is defined as the knowledge gained through the communications, the study and the instructions. Okay, when we collect the data that has some useful information about for the user. Okay, the data helps to take some to make some decision and take some actions. Okay, the information is divided into the three parts. First of all, information is divided in three terms. First of all, accuracy. Second is completeness and third is time. So the information should be accurate. Second one is completeness. The information should be complete. And the third is timeliness. The information is available when it is needed. Okay. Then the three terms are there in the data and the information. First of all, the file. Second one is a record and third one is a field. So what is a file, records and field? So we can say that record. What is a record? Record is a collection of unit of information about a particular entity. For example, the passenger of an airplane, okay, the employee of any organization, the teacher from any schools or colleges. Okay. The second thing is a file. File is a nothing but is a record, but is a collection of a record. If we can organize some data, that is, it is a form of records. Okay. For if we can take an example, it is a collection of some, passengers records. Okay. The third thing is a field. The field is defined as a unit of information that some entity. So that the differences between the record and the field. The record is defined as some particular, that record is belong some particular entity, but the field has some meaningful information information for a particular entity. Okay, so there is a three things, that is the records, fields and files. Okay, here I create a table, that is a customer. Here the customer files have some manage the data, so we can say that organize our data in the form of the records. Okay, here the 53 Ebony farmers and the street address is as a record, but the field has some entity like ID, first name, last name and the street address. Okay, so the last topic is database. Okay, the what is the database? Database is a collection of interrelated data which has used to insert, update, delete, retrieve efficiently data. Okay, if we organize some data in the form of the tables, schema, views and the records. Okay, for example, the college organize some database about their staff, about their staff, about their students, about their faculty, admin staff, etc. On the other hand, we can say that the database, you can, when we use the database, you can easily retrieve our database, insert a new data in a database and delete the unnecessary information from the data. Okay, the topic is finished. Thank you for me watching.